Hi, I'm Miss Bryant, and today's lesson is proportional relationships. A way to write a proportional relationship in a function is y equal ax. A proportional relationship can be displayed by the linear function y equal ax, where a is the constant, or a line graph that actually goes through the origin, 0, 0. Now, remember that the a is the constant. What's another way to say what a is? Do you guys remember from our last video? Yes, it's the slope. It's the slope. So the constant is the same thing as the slope when written in a linear function in this form. All right, let's look at the first example. Example 1. Two NASCAR drivers are running practice laps on a track. The proportional relationship represents the speed of each driver in miles per hour. Which driver has the faster speed? Okay, driver A is y equal 165x. So remember, whatever's next to your x is your slope or your constant, right? So the constant of proportionality of this problem of A would be 165. Would be 165. So that means if you did 1 hour, 1 times 165, this driver is racing at 165 miles per hour. Okay, let's look at driver B. One way to find out what the constant of proportionality is, or the slope, is to do the slope formula, which you would put 2 points on the graph and use our slope formula. So let's do that, and then we're going to talk about another way of looking to find out what the slope is. All right, I want to use the point. We could use the point 0, 0. And we could use the point, 1 and 150. So that would be 1 and 150. Okay? All right. So, okay, now that we have our 2 points, we have our slope formula. Slope equal y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. All right, so we're going to use it. So m equals y sub 2 is 150 minus y sub 1 is 0 over x sub 2 is 1 minus x sub 1 is 0. So m equals 150 over 1. So m equals 150. Okay. Okay, so driver B is 150, the slope is, so he is going in 150 miles per hour. Because if you'll look right here, for 1 hour, he's going 150 miles per hour. We could have did rise over run. Let's do rise over run. So m equals rise over run. That's another way to look at the slope. So m equals, if we start at 0, 0, he rose 150 points, 150 miles, and he run 1. See the 1? So rose 150, run 1. Rose 150, run 1. So slope equals 150. So you can use the slope formula or you can use rise over run. All right, now let's look at driver A and driver B again. We determined that driver A was 165 miles per hour and driver B was 150 miles per hour. So driver A is greater than driver B. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget, study, study, study.